We begin with breaking news. A historic day on the Supreme Court. Justices have overturned Roe v. Wade, the High Court ruling in 1973 to legalize abortion. Today, the court voting 6-3 to uphold a Mississippi law that bans all abortions past 15 weeks. This decision leaving it up to the states now to determine their own abortion policies. Reactions, as expected, have been strong and swift. You can see there supporters of abortion bans gathered at the Supreme Court to celebrate that decision. Polls showing, though, the majority of Americans wanted Roe v. Wade to remain. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us this noon. I'm News 10's Stephanie Rivas in for Christina today. Many wanting to know what this actually means for them and their state. Here in New York, the right to an abortion is now a state law, and that will continue. The 13 states have something called trigger laws, though, in place, meaning when Roe v. Wade is overturned, abortion will be banned or be further restricted in that specific state. ABC's Justin Finch has more on that decision from the Supreme Court.
Real-time reaction to the High Court's decision overturning Roe v. Wade, striking down the constitutional right to abortion, leaving that decision for states to decide. Stepped-up security and barricades set up around the court complex where crowds gathered for the opinion. Abortion has been a constitutional right for nearly 5 decades, but with a 6-3 conservative majority on the court, abortion rights supporters have feared it would only be a matter of time before Roe v. Wade was overturned. According to a leaked Supreme Court draft opinion obtained by Politico in May and confirmed as authentic by Chief Justice John Roberts, a majority of justices voted to end federal protections for abortions and let states make their own abortion laws instead. Justice Samuel Alito, writing for the majority in the draft, stating that Roe was wrongly decided. Abortion rights supporters immediately expressing alarm.
This morning, the radical Supreme Court is eviscerating Americans' rights and endangering their health and safety.
Thousands took to the streets to protest as soon as the leak happened, some even demonstrating outside the homes of conservative justices. 26 states were poised to quickly move to severely restrict access to abortion or ban it outright. 13 have already passed so-called trigger laws that would ban the procedure once Roe is struck down.
The goal of this is to protect the child, the unborn child.
And now a number of Democrat-led states are expanding abortion rights access, making it easier for women to travel to those states for the procedure. At the Supreme Court, I'm Justin Finch, ABC News, Washington.
President Biden expected to speak about the Supreme Court's decision at 12:30. We will be bringing that to you live when it does happen. In the meantime, New York leaders are reacting strongly to that ruling right now. Take a look.
A dark day for women across this nation who have long fought for the right to have control over their own bodies. A fight that my grandmother's generation had to fight, my mother's generation, my generation, my daughter's generation, and apparently now my brand new granddaughter's generation.
On the other side of the aisle, Representative Elise Stefanik releasing a statement of her own saying, quote, "Every unborn child is precious, extraordinary, and worthy of protection. We applaud this historic ruling, which will save countless innocent lives."